Hey guys, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Are you guys looking forward to choose machine learning course as a career path for your life? If you then, do you know the roadmap to learn machine learning? So today in this video, we're gonna talk about the roadmap required to complete machine learning course, and we will discuss the insights of machine learning in detail. And also we will discuss about the salary and job opportunities present in machine learning. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. So basically, machine learning is a branch of science that studies how a computer can learn to do things without being explicitly programmed. Here, explicitly programmed means writing code or instructions manually. In other words, machine learning is defined as it is a form of artificial intelligence which makes predictions for data. So from this, we can say that machine learning is a subcategory of artificial intelligence. Now, machine learning is further categorized into three classes. First one, supervised learning, and the second one is unsupervised learning, and the third one is reinforcement learning. The foundation of machine learning is completely built on four prerequisites: linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics. If you are weak in these four topics, then it will be difficult for you to implement machine learning models. So this is all about machine learning. Now let us see the roadmap to learn machine learning. The very first step is learning linear algebra, calculus, probability and statistics. And the second step is learning Python programming language. And in third step, we need to learn scikit-learn and TensorFlow modules of Python programming language. And in fourth step, we need to learn core machine learning algorithms. And in fifth step, we need to learn NumPy and Pandas library of Python programming language. And in the last and sixth step, we need to learn deployment. So after completing these all 6 steps, we need to start building machine learning projects. So this is the complete roadmap for learning machine learning. Now let us see the job opportunities present in machine learning career. First one, machine learning engineer. Second one, human-centered machine learning designer. Third one, data scientist. Fourth one, NLP scientist. Fifth one, computational linguist. So these are some job opportunities present in machine learning field. In India, machine learning engineers on an average making 8 lakhs per annum, where in USA they are making nearly $100,000, which is approximately equal to 75 to 78 lakhs in Indian rupees. So that is it for today guys. Hope you got a clear cut idea about what actually is machine learning, its roadmap and job opportunities present in machine learning. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in next one.